Alright, so I have this Dyson vacuum cleaner, this canister one. It's a couple years old, so I don't know if they make the same model. But, you know, it's got a canister and it came with this brush head add-on that's supposed to be good for hardwood and carpets. And apparently, what you do to switch between modes between hardwood and carpet is you push this in for hardwood and you pull this out for carpet. The problem is, for some reason, the brushes don't spin anymore. So if I turn it on, sorry, it's gonna be loud. So I have suction there, but pulling this out, these brushes don't turn. I've, gone through here, checked this, all clear. I've opened this up. On the back, you take this, you slide this back, you pull this off, spins. I think the suction is supposed to make it spin. I don't see any breaks anywhere where it might be losing suction. So if anybody has any ideas, I would appreciate it. I'd rather not have to buy another one of these heads. So, any ideas?